Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting tool for mobile filmmakers, the FocusFoto Smartphone Video Rig. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or just want to take your videos to the next level, this setup could be exactly what you need. Let's explore its features, performance, and why it stands out. The FocusFoto Video Rig is a must-have for smartphone filmmakers looking to enhance video and audio quality. It includes a sturdy camera cage with dual hand grips, a Boya by one shotgun microphone, and a 49 LED video light. The rig adjusts to fit smartphones between 4 to 7 inches and works seamlessly with tripods, sliders, and dollies. This versatile setup is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Stability and convenience are at the core of this rig. The dual-hand grip design helps minimize shaky footage, ensuring smoother shots. With 2 standard shoe mounts, users can easily attach the LED light and microphone. The Boya by one microphone delivers clear, high-quality audio without the need for batteries. The 49 LED light provides 800 lumens of brightness with a 6,000 Kelvin color temperature, making it ideal for low-light environments. In real-world use, this rig proves to be a valuable tool. It offers impressive stability for handheld shots, while the microphone effectively reduces background noise for crisp sound quality. The LED light dramatically enhances visibility, making video recordings look more professional. Its lightweight and ergonomic design allow for comfortable long-term use, whether filming indoors or outdoors. So, is the FocusFoto Video Rig worth it? Without a doubt. It delivers professional-level stabilization, lighting, and audio in a compact and affordable package. If you're looking to improve your video quality, this setup is a fantastic investment. Check the link in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.